Welcome to the future, a world where owning our home is no longer a dream for most, but a privilege reserved for the wealthy elite. Today, we're going to explore why home ownership is slipping further out of reach with 99% of the population, and how this trend could reshape society as we know it. Increasingly, big corporations and institutional investors are buying up entire neighborhoods at an alarming rate. What used to be family-owned homes are now assets on a spreadsheet. Firms like BlackRock, Vanguard, and others are acquiring thousands of properties, turning them into long-term rental income streams. This means fewer homes on the market for regular buyers, driving prices higher and locking out the average person. Today, skyrocketed property prices are just the beginning. In the future, home ownership will be reserved for the ultra-wealthy, those who already own vast amounts of capital. For everyone else, well, the best-case scenario may be fractional ownership models like REITs or tokenized property investments. You no longer own the house, but you might own a few bricks, or more accurately, a share in a massive corporate portfolio. These models are marketed as democratizing property ownership. Let's be honest, fractional ownership comes with limited control. You won't decide who rents the property or even how it's managed. It's a far cry from the true ownership where you control and benefit from the asset directly. The gap between asset-owning elite and the rest of society will likely widen. Most will rent everything, while the wealthy elite continue to consolidate power. But there's still hope. By diversifying into assets like Bitcoin or pursuing innovative ownership models only, you can maintain a degree of autonomy in a system increasingly designed to limit it. Let's look at the best case and worst case scenario. In the ideal future, fractional ownership models evolve to truly empower individuals. Technology like blockchain ensures transparency, and people gain access to property investments with minimal barriers. Universal basic income through CBDCs works as a stable safety net, giving people the freedom to pursue creativity, entrepreneurship, or education. Decentralized assets like Bitcoin continue to grow, offering people a way to hedge against inflation and maintain financial independence. In the worst case scenario, the wealth gap becomes unbridgeable. Corporations own nearly everything: homes, resources, and even public services. The average person is locked into endless rent cycles, surviving solely on programmable CBDCs that dictate how they live. Freedoms erode as owning physical assets become nearly impossible. Only the wealthy elite enjoy autonomy while everyone else is in a hyper-controlled system with little hope of escape. The path we decide to take will determine whether we survive or thrive in the future. As of now, there is a good window of opportunity to invest in fractional property and assets like Bitcoin. However, this window might narrow in the future as these assets mature and the barriers to entry increase. We will delve into the reasons behind this in upcoming videos. Until next time, take care.